We'll guide you through how to deploy your project on Replit. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to Replit's website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, head over to your Replit dashboard where all your projects are listed. Choose the project you want to deploy by clicking on it to open it. With your project open, you'll see a toolbar on the left-hand side. Look for the Deployment tab and click on it. Here, you'll find options to deploy your project. If it's the first time you're deploying, Replit might prompt you to connect a domain or create a new one. Choose the option that best suits your needs. If you already have a domain, you can link it here. Replit provides easy-to-follow steps to guide you through the domain connection process. If you're creating a new domain, Replit will automatically generate one for you. Next, you need to configure your deployment settings. This includes selecting the branch you want to deploy from if you're using version control like Git. Make sure everything looks good, and then hit the Deploy button. Replit will start the deployment process, and you'll see status updates in the console output window below. This might take a few minutes depending on your project size and complexity. Once the deployment is complete, Replit will give you a live URL where you can view your deployed project. You can share this URL with others to showcase your project. Don't forget to test the live version to ensure everything is working as expected. If you need to make changes, you can do so in your Replit project and redeploy as needed. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.